All right, we're going to pick up on the notes right where we left off. Now we're going to go to point B. So find point B. Boom. Take out our x value, go to the origin, and count how many times we have to go left or right. Don't have to go left any, don't have to go right any. So since I went left and right 0 times, my x value is 0. Go back to the origin. Let's count up how many spaces we had to go for our y value. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces up, and y's up here are positive. So 0, 4. And now, this one is on the line. So is it in quadrant 1 or quadrant 2? Okay, this one is a little unique. Since it's on the line, it's neither. This is on the y-axis. So we're going to write y-axis. Okay, let's move to the next point. We got point C. So from here, let's get our x value first. Always go left or right first. So in this one, I have to go 1, 2, 3 to the left. So our x value is -3. From that point, let's count how many we have to go up or down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we had to go 5 up, and it's positive because we went up. And what quadrant is over here? This is quadrant 2. All right, let's move on to point D. Let's go back to the middle. Let's count how many spaces we have to go left or right. 1, 2, stop. So our x value here is 2. Now, from here, do I have to go up or down? No, I go up or down 0. So the y value is 0. Now, let me ask you this. Is this in quadrant 1 or quadrant 4? Good, if you said neither. It's in neither quadrant because it's on the line. So this right here is on the x-axis. It's on that x line. Now, let's go to point E. So find it. Boom, it's down here. Go to the left or right first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we stopped at 5. Count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So our x value is +5 because we went to the right. Remember, x's on this right side are positive. X's over here would be negative. Now from here, I've got to go up or down. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got to go down 5. So our y's, when you go down, are negative. So there's our point, 5, -5. And what quadrant is this in right here? Good. It's in quadrant 4. Now the last one, find point F. Let's go back to the origin. Let's count how many we have to go over. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I went 4 to the left, 4 decreasing. So my x value is going to be -4. From here, I'm going to count how many up or down I have to go. 1, 2, 3. I had to go 3, and it was down. Whenever your y's are going down or under this x-axis, they're negative. So it's -4, -3. And what quadrant has both negatives? Quadrant 3. All right, let's move on to the last page. Now, what I want you to do on these notes, where it starts with translation and reflection, we're not going to do that in this unit, so we're just going to cross it out. We'll do that later on in the year, just not yet. Let's go up to the top. It says plot the following points. Now, I know some of you guys are not able to print this off, so I want you to blow this up, and I want you to maybe put some finger marks where they should go, or maybe just take a screenshot and then write on that screenshot just so you get to practice. All right? So each of these is a point that we're going to put over here and label it. Let's take this first one, 2, -1. So we're going to the right, 1, 2, we're going down 1. That is my point. And I'm going to label it point M. So right over here underneath it, I'm just going to put M. We're going to do that for each and every one of these points. So if you have this paper printed out, plot them on the graph. If not, take a screenshot, put it in Paint, and practice painting over it. And pause the video here, wait a few seconds, and then I'm going to show you the answer so you guys can check. Pause the video now. Alright, check to see if you got the points in this order. Make sure on all these left numbers, they're how much you have to go left or right. On the numbers on the right, those are our Y values that tells us up or down. If, like on letter R, it has a 0.5 or a 1/2, that just means you go in between 2 points. So this is at 3.5. I went up 1, 2, 3. If I went up to 4, that's too far. So it's in between 3 and 4. Boom, right there's 3.5. Okay? After you finish the notes, do the assignment.